Hey guys, Lech here. Currently in the middle of my sonar project, and I'm going to be doing some things that are going to require laser level. So I wanted to give you guys a quick review of what I'm going to be using. It's the Dovoh professional laser level. What's special about this model? It's a great price. First of all, I'll put a link to it below and all the details and all that. But what makes it special is right here, the 110 milliwatts. That is about three to four times brighter than most laser levels. Most are about at 30. It's self-leveling, and it has a 5-year accuracy warranty and stuff like that. This is the model right here, H3-360G. Let's open this guy up, show you guys how it all works. As you see right at the top, comes in a nice storage case. Here's the kit itself, user manual, our laser level, which we're going to go over in a second. Cool features about this: it uses batteries that go in here, and it also you can do USB-C if you don't have time to charge your batteries. So we'll check this guy out in a second. You get them with 2 batteries. I believe they are 2600 milliamps per hour. That's pretty good for a laser, especially. This plate over here comes with a kickstand and a magnet. This is to just basically help you see better when you're leveling it and so on. You got your battery charger, pretty straightforward. Comes with the power pack to charge it and the USB-C cable. The green glasses, they're basically to help you see the lines better when you're using the laser. So we'll try to show you guys that on camera as well. And then it comes with the mounting bracket. This you can put it on a stand. It's also magnetic. You pop this open. We'll show you guys how the magnet works. You have this to connect it to like a level or something like that. And it's also adjustable. So the laser sits right here, and you use this knob to adjust it up and down if you want to just tune it in once you have it set. And then you lock it in with this, and it's not going anywhere. There you go. So let's pop some batteries in this guy. Hopefully one is charged enough. If not, we'll have to charge them. Alright, it's working. Let me show you guys a better view, and we'll go over it. Alrighty, once we're going over the laser, we might as well just charge up the second battery in the meantime. Red indicator turns green, you're charged. Alrighty, so this laser is a high precision instrument like most of these type lasers are. It has a lock mechanism here. This lock basically does 2 things. It locks the pendulums inside there to help you level everything. So when you are storing it, moving it around and not using it, have this in the lock position. The second one is it will turn it on. So once I flip this to unlock, it starts the lasers up and turns it on. Why it's beeping? It's beeping because right now the pendulums cannot work properly and give you a level in position because it's out of, you don't have it set right. Second I let it go flat, problem solved. If you just want a straight line, you don't care about self-leveling, you can turn this off, push the power on manually, and now you just have your laser lines. To give you guys a close-up, now you can adjust them, no beeping, nothing, just so you have a straight line for whatever you're doing. But if you want to level, we unlock it, and now it's going to self-level. So if I lift this a little bit, as you see, it's still too high, but within an inch or so, it will level for you. So I'm going to do that again. So about ½ an inch. You can see the level. Well, I hope you guys can. If you look at the pendulum, you can see that's how much space you have in there to move it. So if it's more than that, it's going to beep. Now I'm going to lock it so I don't have the beeping. But basically, if you want to Also, see the red? That means it's locked. When you're on your horizontal line, if you want to do vertical, push the V. Now you have your vertical line here. Push it again. You have this vertical line. You push again. You have all three now. You want to go back, turn off horizontal, just have those two, or just the bottom one, or this one. So you have a bunch of different modes you can go through to get what you want. I'm going to show you guys this inside now of my build, show you guys how I'm going to use it on the walls, and show you how to tile it. But just a quick peek here, you can see it. Right now we have a sunny day, and you can still see this on the wall. Well, I hope you guys can. There you go. Let me turn on all the lines. Yeah. So this is how it looks like in the sun. We'll go inside, show you guys a better preview. Just a quick close-up. The one pendulum in there, they're locked currently. When you unlock it, you see they move. Power button, horizontal line, vertical line, two of those. A USB-C port. If you want to just do manual power, battery compartment, two tripod attachments, the typical 1/4 inch, and a bigger one, I guess, for construction type tripods, which I personally don't own, so cannot show you. But yeah, let's check it out. Alrighty, we're inside now. This is going to be the sauna room here. We got it on my camera tripod. And I didn't use the bracket it came off, I just mounted it directly to the stand itself. Let's turn it on. So we're definitely going to turn it on self-leveling in this case. So we have that on. So as you guys can see, just looking at the wall right now, how bright this line is. And look, I know these walls are level because I already did it with the level itself. So we are right on that line. Now I'm going to hit vertical. So we're in here. So we got to rotate that actually like that. So let's see how level our studs are. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's hit the next vertical line. That's the bottom. Okay. And now we have all of them. So quick peek of it installed on the bracket. Just screws on like with the tripod. And now let's lose some of the features. So you got the hook for the screw. And now we can adjust this. Lock it into place. Turn it on. And just like that, you have it on that way. If you don't want to use the hook, you can pull that off. Use the magnet. Boom. As you see, it's not going anywhere. Oh, it's really not going anywhere. It's actually really hard to even pull it down. So quick peek of the reflection on the plate. As you guys can see, it is a lot brighter. Here's what it's gonna look like through the glasses. So a lot thicker lines. So also a quick peek to show you how it's gonna look like with bright LEDs in the room. So clearly still visible, no problem there. It's 9-foot mark over there. So self-leveling is on. Just quickly to show you guys that it is actually leveled. Well, compared to the level itself, right? So there you go. There you go. You turn off the self-leveling. Turn it on manually. Look at that. Turn on self-leveling. How it straightens out right away. And this is where the laser is gonna make your life a lot easier when you're tiling. It's gonna give you, I'm not using the horizontal lines, I'm just using the two verticals in this case. So I know I got my start line here. and now for the next row, and so on. And then you just relocate it where you need it, or just have the line right on the edge of the tile, whichever way you want. So that's gonna be really easy to tile as opposed to measuring and lining up, especially the first row. One more way the laser helped me was doing it for the side tiles that I did all around the flooring here. Helped me make sure they're all nice and even. Just dropped it on the ground, set it to correct setting, and it was easy to put the tiles up evenly. But yeah, this thing is awesome. Cleans up easy, as you guys can see. Covered in cement again, I wiped it out. It's all like rubber based and stuff, so easy to wipe down and still functioning perfectly. Really awesome laser. Never recharged the battery in this whole project. Doing this whole tiling on the wall section. I'm also going to do it on the walls when I putting up the beams, but very useful. Love it. Great deal. I'll put a link, all the details to it below again, as mentioned. And appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe, follow. More videos on this build and reviews like this coming.